When a team of U.S. Marshals extradited me from Germany to the United States recently, they expressed their extreme gratitude that I was a cooperative detainee because, according to them, I was one of the most potentially dangerous criminals they have ever come across. Anyone watching this probably already knows that regardless of whether I have a weapon or not, I am. From there, I don't think too far of a stretch to say that I, myself, could be considered one of the most dangerous weapons to ever be on a commercial airline. If these highly trained special operations veterans seem to think so, who am I to argue? There's already a video up here on that full story. The story of me being smuggled from country to country for 30 hours in shackles, handcuffs, and a concealment jacket. Prison to prison, unmarked vehicle to unmarked vehicle, hustled through international borders and underground networks at airports. That video is here under the title Corrupt U.S. Marshals, so check it out if interested. Yes, the title to that video, and this one, is fitting. We're talking about smuggling a dangerous weapon onto a plane here. Not just talking about it, in fact, because I don't just talk about anything, I do it. Then, maybe, I tell some of the stories. And here I am, doing it live. The tool you see here in my hand is the bone opener keychain. It's available for sale at bonetactical.com, like the rest of my gear, but I will put a link where you can purchase it directly in the description below. People are always asking if my tools are able to be carried on planes, and of course I always say yes. And here's the proof. The bone opener is kind of one of those for those who know kind of things. And yeah, it's just a keychain, guys. Just a bottle opener, keychain, wrench, screwdriver, and those who know. Now I'm about to go through security with the bone opener, and I'm going to cause a big stink with the security people, just to show you guys how easy it is.
Thank you.
Nothing in your shoes.
Okay.
And your pockets are all empty?
Yep. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Okay.
Okay, our stuff's gonna be over here, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I do, yeah. That's cool. Thanks. Yeah, it's a big one. It's a big one.
The zippers, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more spot. You have anything in the back pocket?
I do a lot on it though.
At this point, I have now created a problem for TSA security by leaving my laptop in the laptop bag. Therefore, I am sending it back through again with the bone opener keychain in the bag. So, in essence, I'm going through security once, and just to show you guys how easy it is to get a bone opener keychain through security, I'm sending the bone opener through twice.
Oh my goodness gracious. Excuse me. Stick this over here. Alright.
And now the most dangerous weapon to ever board a commercial flight is about to go board. Bone out.